Hi everybody, I'm out in Manhattan on a nice night and I'm a little underdressed, so I'm a little chilly. But I just came, over the weekend I went to see Stars and Ice. And I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, I'm trying to be discreet on a public street, so anyway, but I'm doing it. So anyway, over the weekend I went to see Stars and Ice, and I enjoy going to live performances because there's a certain energy about them. And as I thought about it, you go to a stadium, a movie premiere, a whatever, and you watch the best of the best doing their thing, and there's a certain energy there that you don't get in other places. And I think part of that energy is people who had dreams and are making dreams come true, and they know it. You know, they didn't get where they were by accident. They got there by a lot of hard work, and I think 99% of the time they truly appreciate all the people who helped them get there. So that's why I like live events, and I try to go to them as much as possible, probably a little too often. So that's all for today. It is April 23rd, and I hope you all have a great night. Thanks.